To set up Debank Assets List, start by accessing the Debank website and logging into your account. If you do not have an account, create one by following the registration process. Once logged in, navigate to the Assets page where you can view and manage your entire portfolio. The first step is to add assets to your list. You can do this by clicking on the Add Asset button and searching for the specific asset you want to add. Debank supports a wide range of assets, including cryptocurrencies, tokens, and other digital assets. You can search by asset name or by its contract address. After adding an asset, you need to set up its details. This includes setting the asset name, symbol, and its current balance. You can also add tags to categorize your assets, making it easier to track and manage them. For example, you can use tags like coins, tokens, or NFTs to categorize your assets. To track the value of your assets, you need to set up their prices. Debank provides real-time price updates, but you can also manually set prices if needed. You can set the price in any fiat currency supported by Debank, such as US dollars or euros. Another important step is to set up alerts and notifications. Debank allows you to set up custom alerts based on price movements, balance changes, or other events. For example, you can set up an alert to notify you when the price of a specific asset reaches a certain threshold. Finally, it is essential to regularly update and review your assets list. This includes updating asset balances, prices, and other details. You should also regularly review your portfolio to ensure it remains aligned with your investment goals and risk tolerance. By following these steps and best practices, you can effectively set up and manage your Debank assets list. This will help you track and manage your portfolio, make informed investment decisions, and stay up to date with market movements. Remember to always keep your account and assets secure, and to only invest in assets that you fully understand and are comfortable with.